Hi everyone, and welcome back to Baking with Katherine. In today's video, we will be making these amazing blueberry cookies with white chocolate chips. Not only do these cookies have this spectacular purple color, they are also egg-free and can easily be made vegan with some plant-based butter. Saying this recipe is perfect for everyone and super yummy. Let's jump into this recipe and begin. To start off, grab a small mixing bowl and add 135 grams of all-purpose flour, about 1 cup, along with a half teaspoon of baking powder, and grab a fork to mix it all together. The next ingredient is blueberries, the star of the show. Into a small microwave-safe bowl, add 80 grams of frozen blueberries, plop in the microwave, thawing the berries for 30 seconds until soft and mushy. While letting the blueberries cool off for a few minutes, grab your stand mixer, cream together 76 grams of butter and 90 grams of sugar until the color is lighter and fluffier. Once the butter and sugar have been creamed together, now it's time to add in your blueberries and mix on high until the blueberries are mashed, creating a well-combined mixture with a beautiful deep purple color. Once your mixture has combined well, taking your small mixing bowl of dry ingredients from earlier, add it into the wet ingredients and let mix until a wet dough is formed. Finally, you will add in 70 grams of white chocolate chips and briefly turn the mixer on until incorporated through. After the white chocolate chips have been mixed into the dough, you're going to grab your bowl and place it in the freezer for 30 minutes since the dough is really soft. Once the dough has chilled, grab a spoon and take a spoonful of dough by placing it on the tray and shaping it into a circular mound so the cookies remain full and tall. The dough is still quite sticky, so you can't exactly roll it around in your hands. When your pan is full, place the cookies into a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 10 to 13 minutes or until golden around the edges and on the chocolate chips. Let them cool for 10 to 15 minutes. These cookies are so eye-catching for any occasion. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious cookie recipe, and if you try it out, please tag me on my social media, Baking with Katherine, on Instagram. Thanks for watching! See you in my next baking video. Bye!